Funky D, everybody. Welcome back to Funky D. News time, ladies and gentlemen. The matter when we get for now today, the matter when concern these people, what do they call Herdsmen and Jubri Buhari and the federal government or APC government. Of recent, these people, what do they call herdsmen for Una, when say Una get president in that country where they call Nigeria. Herdsmen, they don't start again. Now, they never inaugurate Jubri back to the office. But herdsmen don't they already they kill. They don't they already they kill. Herdsmen then go this place where they call Anambra State. Go kill people when they on their own. They just begin shoot. They say these people, then they sleep when herdsmen come. Come begin shoot. Serious shooting. Come kill 6 people. More than 30 people wound. The governor of Anambra State, where they call Willie Obiano, they say that man travel go abroad. Now abroad when in day, when they call and tell and say, man, herdsmen, they don't take over Anambra State. Just as usual. And Una, when they Nigeria there, and people, when we see them say, then get president, what they call President Muhammadu Buhari, when we say, we need no time when Buhari don't ever label these herdsmen people as terrorist organization. Up to today, Buhari disagreed to label these people as terrorist organization. Buhari disagreed to label Miyati Allah, because now from Miyati Allah, now him, this people, what they call herdsmen, now from Miyati Allah they come from, now them be the Miyati Allah, now them be the herdsmen. Buhari himself, na herdsmen. Jubri himself, na herdsmen. I never see a situation or a country when things like this they happen. The president, when they call president, not they talk anything. You know, they condemn those people when they do this act. This evil act, what did they do in that country? I wonder why and how this act of this terrorist act will stop in that country. Because the person when we say na una leader, you know they talk, you know the yarn, you know the shake body, even then kill 1 million people. Now him from Kidi don't tell una say, una when they support all this kind of evil thing. I don't tell una before say, una got to be very, very careful, because this thing when they happen to our people, until when he go meet you, now him you go know say something meet you. But now when it come be like say the thing never meet you one day, they never kill any member of your family one day. That's why una still dey support Buhari. Nobody when they answer Buhari when they that position. The person when they that position not be Nigerian man. That is why you see the man not agree condemn all these things. We don't hear say Nigerian government, then they recruit Boko Haram, they enter army, they enter Nigerian military. I wonder how such people will take end this kind of thing when they happen, when herdsmen that they do. How, which country, when all these things they happen, when we say a terrorist group, then go they recruit them, put for the government military. I never see such a thing before. Now, only Nigeria when all these things then they happen. Now, herdsmen go kill, we go they look them. Before you know, they go say, oh, leave him, now God, leave him, God go take control. Make you not go disrupt everywhere, make you not do anything. If you do anything, fight go come. I wonder how all this thing go take stop. When we say, this one now when happen in Anambra State, when Anambra people, when they're supposed organize men like vigilante, when go they take, in fact, every part of that country, because herdsmen, they don't take over that country. herdsmen, now them be the jihadists. They don't take over that country. All their plan, the whole plan of this their Islamization, they don't perfect everything. Now only 10%, ladies and gentlemen, now remain for everything to come through. Now, honor they don't pursue and come out. When be the Chief Justice of Nigeria, they don't pursue and come out. Tanko Muhammad, when Buhari bring come, the Sharia man, he don't did there now. Now, tell me now, who go come fight for Nigerian people? Tell me who go stand up for Nigerian people? When all these things they happen, Nigerian youth, Nigerian people, they refuse to come out en mass. I don't tell you now. The only way when all this thing go end, now to march in millions. They go Aso Rock. Either Buhari go find the problem, or whoever they there, whether not Jubril, whether not Buhari or Funky D, no one know. Una go march in mass, go there, go the demand for freedom. Make these Hausa people or Fulani people or Fulani herdsmen, make them stop the killing. Or make the man, when refuse to solve the problem, make him step down or make him resign by fire or by force. This time, not the time. Otherwise, ladies and gentlemen, it will be too late to cry when the head is off. This one at the time. Look at this one when happened in Zamfara state. When we say, then go tell people when they work as the miners, make them stop to the work as miners. I wonder how that one will solve the problem. Instead of them to use their technology to track down all these herdsmen people, these herdsmen killer, these sick Fulani Meyati Allah people. Then they instead and say people when they walk, they can't ban them. Say, may they not they work for now. I wonder how that one will take solve the problem. Whether or not be human being, those people they kill, I don't know. Whether or not they solid minerals then they kill, Funky D not know. The reason why government asked them, say, may them stop to the work for now. But the major problem, because in Zamfara, more than 6,000 people don't die in Zamfara state. In Igbo land, now I not feel mention the amount of people when herdsmen don't take their life for nothing. These people that say that they sleep, these herdsmen people begin spray gun, begin shoot around 5:40 in the morning when people they sleep. They begin shoot people, kill people, wound more than 30 people. Buhari up to today, Buhari not say anything. Many people don't die in the hands of these herdsmen and Boko Haram. Buhari no agree label these people terrorist organization. He no agree label Miyati Allah terrorist organization. Funky D wonder the reason why the man refused to label them terrorist organization. Buhari refused to catch them. Buhari refused to prosecute them. Buhari refused for army to they catch these people. Look at now, then say that they deploy army people or military personnel go Igbo land or go Anambra state. Where these people dey? Where Nigerian police force dey when all these things then they happen? Where security forces dey when all these things then they happen? This is to show you, see, the government hands they inside this matter, inside this herdsmen thing. 100% Buhari and APC government, their hand, they inside this matter. So the only thing when go solve this problem, ladies and gentlemen, I don't tell you that before, whether you be anything when you be, now this time, una go fit solve the problem. Come out in millions. Talk to the government. Do protest so that this kind of a thing will come to an end. Otherwise, una go wait for Hausa jihadists. Una go wait for Fulani jihadists. Una go wait for bombing. Una go wait for everything. Because I don't tell you before, see, even Boko Haram, they get their own drone. Nigeria, when be Nigerian army, they not get their own drone. Then say they be Nigerian army, but then they recruit Boko Haram, then they recruit herdsmen. Say the herdsmen, then when they recruit, say they don't repent. That is why then they recruit them, put for army. That is why they recruit them, put for police. That is why they recruit them, put for Nigerian forces. Funky D wonder, I say show, then go kill everybody, oh, because somebody, when we say he don't already they kill people without fear. If he enter army, like this policeman now went kill this man in Lagos State, I wonder where that one come from. I wonder what trigger that man to do what he do. So, when they talk say, una Buhari na no president, that man when they there, not be Nigerian person. That man when they answer Buhari, he not care, he not give a fuck about Nigerian people. Now then they push them, go kill them, so that our plan will come to pass. Their plan now to Islamize Nigeria. I wonder how it will be if these people want to fight Nigerian people full time. Then we say everything they their hand. Military na their own. Police na their own. Boko Haram na their own. Herdsmen na their own. Funkidi say, in wonder what Nigerian people go do the time when Hausa people go stand up for now. Tell me how you go begin doubt now, say this thing what they call Islamization never come to pass. It have already come to pass. Nobody they challenge, nobody they talk, everybody just they do like mumu in that country. The day when Hausa and Fulani go rise up, say they won't finish Nigerian people, nothing will stop them, ladies and gentlemen. Nothing will ever stop them. That is why Funky D they talk say wherever you dey, all these brave guys then when we get, all these young brave guys then when we get, we got to follow them. We got to team up in millions to make sure say we bring down this sick government. We bring them down, all these sick people, all these sick Nigerian politicians them. To make sure say we bring down these herdsmen and Boko Haram, because anybody when they think say government go solve the problem, government go solve the problem, you are joking. Because now government, now them they use these people to they operate, to they intimidate, to they kill Nigerian citizens. So if you they think say maybe somebody like Buhari now, when we say Buhari just turn deaf ear to everything when herdsmen they do, no day when Buhari condemn him. No day when Buhari condemn him. In fact, the people of Zamfarawa state, then they cry day in and day out. Then they say, man, which kind Buhari, which kind government be this? Which kind government be this when we say, I can't say, no, they talk say, no, Buhari. No, they talk say, no, president. Because if Buhari or this person, when they want to call Buhari, na really Nigerian person, you no go ever keep quiet for this matter, for this thing, for this killing when then they kill innocent Nigerian people. Somebody go just come from northern part of the country, enter your family house, begin kill everybody when they there, and nobody they stand up. Army when they say they recruit, all of them are Hausa people, all of them are Fulani herdsmen. So tell me now when army, how army go take come help you? Because before they start shooting, before they start killing that killing when they kill, they don't inform each other. Army, they don't relax. They drink beer for one beer parlor. Why? Both herdsmen people, then go do one village, they kill people. And even if say the army no say they inform army say herdsmen don't kill here, nothing go ever happen. They no go catch those people. They no go prosecute them. Then go just allow them to they carry their cattle. Then they pretend. Then they camouflage with cattle. These people, they are real terrorists, and they are terrorizing Nigerian people. They are terrorizing Southeast people, Southwest people. They are terrorizing them. South, they are terrorizing everybody. So this thing have to come to an end, ladies and gentlemen. This one not be matter of saying, no, you be Yoruba, you be Igbo, you be Hausa, you be this, you be that. This thing have to come to an end. Nigerians have to come out in millions, like I said before, in millions, to make sure, say, this sick government then leave Nigerian people alone. Either they go solve the problem or they leave the office. If they're not fit do anything to this Boko Haram people or to this herdsmen people or to this killing or to this kidnapping thing when they happen in that country, ladies and gentlemen, most especially this killing of people, of innocent Nigerian people, if they're not fit to do the job, make them step down. Make people, when we say them sabi do the job, make them enter that place. Funky D say Buhari leave Nigerian people alone or Jubri. The people what they call the so-called fake cabas them when they there, when go bring you come. Funky D say make una leave Nigerian people alone for Christ's sake. This one not be to keep quiet again, ladies and gentlemen. This one are to match in millions so that these people then go leave Nigerian people alone. Otherwise, the thing when go come to that country, na civil war. Because if this thing continue, when they not fit stop this thing, nobody they stop him. The whole president of the country, not they stop him. Nothing, nobody they talk. Now NBC, Fulani people, they want civil war in that country. Because this thing cannot continue like this. When we say government go just fold their hand like say, they not they see anything when they happen. Then they see everything. Now then they send them. How Nigerian government go they recruit Boko Haram, they put for army, they put for police, they put for SSS, they put for DSS. What kind of nonsense is all this, ladies and gentlemen? So all these things have to come to an end. Now this matter when I get for now today, I say they don't they kill Igbo people again. To the international communities, they don't they kill Igbo people again when not do them anything. They go come your land, invade your house, rape your wife, kill all your children. They say the rape, when they rape now, this thing now when happen in Anambra state of recent, Funky D say show. That is why I say, make these people where they call South and Southeast people, make una everywhere, make una get una vigilante, make una get able-bodied men. When go they challenge these people, when be say anytime when they come, they must to capture them. In fact, make una not allow any Fulani man or any cattle rearer to just cross enter on a city again. Because as soon as they allow them to enter, now be say now they give them the opportunity to they come kill on people. Somebody afternoon koro, somebody carry gun with melu, they waka, police they look at police they pass. Army they look at army go pass. What kind of country be this? What is really going on in that country where they call Obodo Nigeria? Buhari, I say leave Nigerian people alone. Go back to Sudan. Because now you be that Amino Sudani where they talk. If you not fit solve this problem, resign. After all, nobody put you there. Even the thing when you do, you when be Jubri in this election period, don't you see now you be the main jihadist. For you to use army people to kill people when one vote for other political parties, tell them say, may they not vote or they go die if they not vote for APC. And you really use army to kill in 100 and nobody talk. I wonder those Nigerian people when their head not correct, when they call Buhari president, they call say, now our president, now Buhari, now minister, now him be this, now him be that, now got pata, and now him be this, excellency. What excellency? If a man, a president break the law in our constitution, he is no more an honorable person. Is no more an honorable man. So Buhari don't break law left and right, back and front. Starting from certificate, he not get school, nothing. Starting from say then go bring this one come from Sudan. Himself come go bring result from Ghana. All these things, the man is not an honorable man, whether you like it or not. Funky D don't talk him own. So, ladies and gentlemen, make una gather together in millions to see how una go take solve this problem. Because Buhari don't finally or successfully Islamize Nigeria. CJN now, Tanko Muhammad, when we say na the Sharia master, I don't tell you this thing before, na Hindi now. Honor her, don't go. I wonder how Nigerian people, how una go do this matter when we see na the southeast and the south people na they support all this nonsense when they happen in that country. So una go manage them anything when una see. So for the youth, for Nigerian youth, all those people when they do all those yeah court, yeah nonsense aye. Say you be courtis, you be black ass, you be nonsense, courtism. Una no they see herdsmen, they kill una people there. Why una not go use that herdsmen? God, that thing when they do go face the herdsmen when they kill una mama and una papa. When I talk say una be caught, I be aye, I be nonsense ass man, I be ass nonsense, rubbish. Funky D. So make una join hand together. We all have to join hand together to fight this fight. Make una not forget to subscribe to Funky D channel. And make una not subscribe to the share. Make una not forget to share my videos 247. And make una not also forget to press that bell sign so that anytime when Funky D upload, now first watch my video. Funky D. Thank you everybody. And God bless. Buhari, leave us alone.